Want to sound like a native speaker? Ditch basic words. Here are 5 advanced words you need. Let's go.
Instead of very careful, say meticulous.
He's meticulous about details.
Yes, sounds way smarter. Instead of reduce pain, say alleviate.
This tea will alleviate your stress.
Perfect. Instead of perfect, say impeccable.
Her taste in fashion is impeccable.
So fancy. Instead of saying, speaks well, use articulate.
He is really articulate in his speeches.
Exactly. That's a level up from just speaking well. If you want to say something is everywhere, use ubiquitous.
Smartphones are truly ubiquitous nowadays.
Yeah, you see them in everyone's hands.
Want more advanced words? Drop a yes in the comments. Let me know which word you like the most.